Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 6-feet extension cord that has a rotating plug, which I think it's super important because sometimes you have this part over here that it has just like picture that you have two of these outlets over your wall, and you have one that is already plugged with a really big one of these ones, and then it's kind of like in the way of plugging this one. So then what you can do, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up. You can actually rotate this and change the size. So that is something, to me at least, is something really important. So this one comes with the 6 feet long cord. It's actually a super long cord and 13 amperes. And also this one, it is grounded as well. So that's another good thing in case that you're worried about that or you're not super confident about getting something that is not. But this one is also grounded. And of course, it is compact as well. But then I'm just going to shut up and just show it to you on a close-up. So this is how it comes right here. You're going to find that comes with this strap over there to actually have some really nice and not super clutter installation, but it's a really long cable, like 6 feet is super long. And then you're gonna see this one right here. It comes with not one, but two, but three. So you can actually have this extension cord, which is super compact, and you can just like drop it in the ground or something like that. So you have that over there, as well as a display over here that is going to tell you if it is on and off. But again, the most important thing is this one right here. So if it goes this way, if you don't have any room, you can actually rotate it 360 degrees. It's not just like 180 or 45 or 90 or something like that. You can put it in any position. So that actually gives you lots of room to play with this. And this part right here is the one that is going to be that is going to be in the way most likely. So you can actually rotate it and play around with that, which I think it is super good. So one more time. 13 amperes. It comes with the side. It is grounded, side grounded. It's also 3 ports over there, and of course the rotating part with the 6-foot long cable. I like it. I do recommend this for every house and every occasion. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.